we see the bottom of the train. So we gotta go all the way over there to get to the train. If you see over here, we see like 1,000 small houses, and they're also tiny people. And over here, we have tiny people working, and we have tiny stores. And if you move all the way over here, you see a tiny, I don't even know what the thing is, but let's move on, shall we? Over here we see the beach exhibit over here. Also, one house have one, like working inside, if you see, tiny people. And over here we see a town. Also used cars, but not on this town. Over here we have the mountain. There's another train that's looking down, but that one's going. Looks like that one. And we see like two trains. No. Oh yeah, it is. Two trains. No. We see the end of the train right here. And we have also tiny apartments. And it's a tiny car. And over here you see tiny, wincy, little train tracks. And over here we see more cars. And over here we see two cars racing each other all the way down to the police station. Over here we have tiny sticks, tiny warehouses, tiny orange trees, tiny everything. Also over here, see over here, the train is coming. The train is coming, and it's here. And you can see over here the things on it. That way you can keep it moving. Alright. Next, we see more tiny buildings, and we see tiny lights, tiny people working. And we see tiny cars and tiny animals. And we see a tiny red light and green light. And over here we see water with a guy under it. And we see the train. How come nobody told me there was two trains? Alright, two trains driving at the same time. All these trains are happening. Moving on. Tiny people working, just like Charlotte's Web, of course. Charlotte's Web. If you guys seen that movie, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Over here we have more tiny rocks. We have a tiny building with tiny stuff in it. Over here we have the tiny chairs, tiny ladders, more people working, and one is being lazy. Kids, if you're lazy out there, tell your mom that you have to work. And over here, we have tiny trees, one half house added to tiny tanks, also little tiny cars, a huge building. Or cool, of course, tiny cars. Also, we see another train moving. Also, we see a teeny building. Teensy Weensy Party. The people that were just started. And the Teensy Weensy Party. The Teensy Weensy Party. Alright, that's it. Alright, that's it for this video today. Get this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And bye.